Hi everyone, this is Free Learning. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how to hide and unhide rows and columns in Excel 2016. So to hide, for example, these three rows, I can select them like this and right click and click on hide. To unhide the selected rows, I will select the top and the bottom one and right click and select Unhide. This is the first option. The second option is to select the rows that you want to hide and go to Home, Format, Hide and select Hide Rows. And to unhide these rows, you also select the top and the bottom row and select here Unhide Rows. So sometimes if you have a filter in your table and you have, for example, selected only rows that contain, for example, here the values 4, 5, and 6, you can see that we have here some hidden rows between the row 3 and 5 and between 5 and 7, between 7 and 9. So if you didn't see the filter and you try to unhide these rows by clicking on the unhide option, you see that nothing is going to happen. So here the only option to unhide these rows is to go to your filter and select all, click on OK, and this should unhide the rows. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.